There are places you go to, and there are moments that completely change how you see life. Today, I didn't just attend a program. I went for something deeper, something that made me question everything I think I know about destiny. From Ogun rituals to the king drums, and to the sacred moment of Ifa Bibo. What I saw here, I know you have not seen it before anywhere. Everywhere I look, there is meaning. Nothing here is random. Before anything begins, Ogun must be honored. Ogun is not just a deity, it's a movement. Ogun is a force. Ogun is the reason everything begins at first. This is not just music. This is communication. The drums are not just sound. They are not just calling, but they are calling the spirit. The sounds are not for people, but for the spirits. This is the moment everything changed. This is where Ifa speaks. No noise, no distractions, just connections. You begin to realize that this is not just tradition, it is guidance. This is destiny being revealed. Let me be honest with you. Moments like this make you uncomfortable because this is not just celebration. Surrendering to something you don't really understand. Surrendering to a path that has written already. And then something changes. The fear fades. And what replaces it? Clarity. You begin to understand that Ifa is not here to scare you. Today, I don't just watch a celebration. I experience culture. I experience identity. I experience something that cannot be explained or felt. Before today, what did you actually think about Ifa celebrations? And after watching this, has anything changed? Some journeys are not traveled with your feet, but with your spirit. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you love content like this. I will see you in my next video. Bye.